Hello everyone, Mark Houlihan here for Speedway Motors. We're at the 2022 SEMA show, and part of our job here is to find some great, cool, new products to put in the Speedway Motors catalog and website. One of those is Marquet Manufacturing's bed kits. I'm here with Kevin Gentry. He's going to tell us a little bit more about these bed kits that we're going to be offering. Kevin, take it away. Tell us about these bed kits. The sheet metal, the availability, the years that you offer, all that.
Okay, thank you, Mark. We source all of our raw materials in the United States, and so we use American products, raw materials. In the bed assembly here, we have the front bed panel, the bed sides, and all the understructure that comes in the kit, the cross sills. We make them from 1934 all the way up to 1987, and they're made with 16 gauge electro-galvanized, which is unique. It provides an extra protection against corrosion.
Very nice.
And the kit does not include the tailgate or the floor.
Okay, but you do manufacture those.
We do manufacture.
Okay.
It's all made in the United States there in Oklahoma City.
And I'm assuming this bed comes spot welded together, ready to bolt on with understructure, hardware kit, all that.
Yes, we provide all of the components underneath, and we provide all the hardware to bolt together with it.
So once they get that rusty truck all apart and they're done cursing those rusted rounded fasteners, your new bed goes right on.
It fits together, and we have a reputation for all of our components bolting together without any files, awls, or drills. And so we're proud of that. We put in a laser this year to propagate us forward on our manufacturing, and so our dimensions are to the thousands.
Wow, that's great, and USA made. Now, you said the tailgate is your product as well.
Yes.
Applications, options. I see you've got like a hidden hinge type setup here versus the good old chains back in the day. But
right.
Tell us what's available.
So we're unique. We have customized options for tailgates. Anybody else that you buy a tailgate from is just going to have chain links on them,
It's basically how it came in whatever model.
That's right.
Yeah.
And so we have got many options, upgrades on tailgates. This one is our push button tailgate, and it has a push button with double bear claw latches on the side, and then it has links that replace the chain. And this particular one is a polished stainless steel. We offer them in an unpolished stainless and the regular steel.
Okay.
And we also offer other release mechanism. We have a flush with handle, and then we have hidden latches that go out on the end. So we have all kinds of different options on the type of tailgate that you can get that's unique. Nobody else offers this.
Now, your tailgate options or your tailgate assembly with these options, the hidden latch, the sidebar, hidden hinges versus the chains, is that something a customer can buy and add to their existing bed? If their bed is in good shape, they just want a new tailgate with a hidden hinge?
Yeah, we have kits where you can convert your tailgate if you want to get rid of the chains and go to latches. So you buy a link kit from us, and it's got templates in it to cut your tailgate and install new latches and get rid of your chains.
Great. Nice subtle little touch that modernizes the truck, something that could easily be done at home. Now, last but not least, the wood kit. See these trucks, Cars and Coffee, cruise nights everywhere. Everyone's running a wood bed kit these days. Tell us what's great about yours.
So Marquet is known for our wood, our wood floors. We engineer the grooves in it to very tight tolerances, and we do that so that the bed strips fit very tightly in the wood, and we offer a plethora of woods. Pine and oak, red oak are predominantly what people want, but we offer exotic woods, black walnut, purple heart, white oak. There's a long list of exotics that we offer depending on what the customer wants.
And I assume you have, these look to be polished aluminum strips?
These are bumped aluminum, and we have 3 types of aluminum, And then we have 3 types of steel bed strips. We have a polished stainless steel, an unpolished stainless steel, and then a cold rolled steel that can be painted or powder coated.
So if they have a Cerakote or powder coated bumper in a different color and they want to contrast or match it, if you will, they can get the raw ones and send them off to their coater.
That's correct.
Yep, great. Now I noticed this little button here. Tell us what that is.
So this is our new patented Pro Tilt floor.
Okay.
And so for guys that have chassis that have high kick-ups and they need to raise the floor, and they also want a tilting floor so that they can show their chassis off or get into their fuel cell, we've designed this, and it's all mechanical. There's no pneumatics, there's no electronic actuators.
Oh, that's very nice.
We've got a compression struts in the front that energize it, and then we've got a latch assembly that holds it in the front, in the back.
And I see you've got adjustable bumpers so you can get the height right with the outer boards.
Yes. Yeah. One thing nice about this is the other techniques of actuating the bed do not latch the end of the bed here, and so the bed, after it's down, has a tendency to bump and rattle as you go down the road. This one has a hard latch on it. It's mechanical, and so when you push it down, it's locked in place, and
you're not getting any rattle.
No
you're
rattles.
Not getting any vibration that's going to mess with the wood and the strips and all that.
Our design inputs were to keep things simple.
Great.
And so that's what our result was.
Well, I'm very impressed. Can't wait to see these in our catalog and on our website. I think they're going to be a hit.
We're excited to be on board with Speedway. Look forward to it.
Kevin, thanks for the time.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.